Hi. Well, here's the recipe page. How cute is that? It's all about chicken. Okay. So, to make this, you are going to basically cut down your recipes, which is super simple. I have stamped your eggs and your chicken and colored them in and stamped all your background. And so this is what it looks like. Basically all you do is put it together. So I'm going to show you what I did though to show you how cute it turned out. So here's your recipes that you'll cut out real closely. And then here is black ink. And we're going to use the little bug, little bee. And this is from the Happy Easter set in the new mini catalog. And I'm gonna stamp little bees all over. They all go one way, so I'm just gonna stamp them all one way. He's so cute. Okay, we got him done. Alright, so that should be good. I may have to go back and add a few more. But until then we're going to stamp the chicken twice. 1, 2. And the eggs once. Okay, and then I'm going to stamp chicken on one of your pages, this one, and it's basically all lined up except for the C, and I have to move the C and go back and do that. So ink this well. And kind of eyeball so he'll be in the center. Lift him, and then I'll clean him and pull that C off and put it on another block. And line it up well and stamp him there. Alrighty, got it. Chicken. Okay, and I want to add, be cute to add a few more little bumblebees to here, don't you think? There. Yeah. There. Okay. Alright, so we got that done. Alright, so then I'm going to color in your little guys. Let's see. Yeah, I use pencils to color him in. So we did a green egg carton. And you can just lay down some color. You don't have to color the whole thing in, especially if you're going to do some shading. So where it's dark, you lay in the color, then you pull that color up to where it would be lighter, and it will look like it's been shaded automatically. And I'm going to use a blender pen. Oh, here they are, right in front of my nose. So See, you can take the darker color and pull it down from the dark area and pull it down to the light area. Just like so. Dark to the light. And then you can always go back and add color if you want to. Add more green if you want it to be darker. So a couple of ways. You can scribble it on your blotter and go back and pick it up. See? Or you can take the pencil and put it right in the area where you want more color at. And then blend it a little. See? Like so. But I'm going to add some more color here for you. And then blend it just a touch. There. Alright, now for the cute little duck. So I'm just going to color around the outside edges. Some. His wings, a bit on his belly, his tail, a little under his chin. We'll do both of them at the same time. Okay, like so. Okay, then I think I'm going to color those first. So you're going to start with the yellow. Just pull it out. Dark around the edges. Pull it out so it's lighter in the center. See how cute he is, all shaded. And we'll do the same here. A little under his chin to give him some shadowing. Yeah. And then here. There you go. So that's all he is. Then I'm going to color his little feet and his beak in orange. So stinking cute are these little fellas. And then you get to cut them out and put them onto your pages. And I pop dotted them. I glued the eggs and I pop dotted the chicks. So, I mean, you can do whatever you want, but that's what I did. I wanted to smooth these pencil marks out a little bit, make them a little more cohesive with the other design. There he is. Okay, so cut them out. This is glued. These guys are pop dotted. And here are your pages. Okay, so you've got two recipes. You've got the sheet pan fajitas, the eggs, pop dotted chicken. You have chicken word. And then you have the tandoori chicken and the chicken cauliflower rice fried rice with the little chicken hair all pop dotted. Okay? All right, hon. Thanks. Have fun. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.